Well, hello, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Giselle. We're going to be doing some swatches from Urban Decay for their new lip gloss line. And if you want to see what's in this little box, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Look at this super cute box, PR box that Urban Decay sent. Has the little lip which keeps the box closed, and this is actually a mirror which is super cute. And then inside we have 20 of their newest shades of lip gloss, and this is their High Fine Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Super shiny, cushiony, soft, long lasting. Which actually, I have one on right now over a liquid lipstick. And I was like, before I film, I'm gonna go eat my dinner super quick. And it didn't move. Like, it stayed on. So I'm super loving this. So I received all 20 of the shades. I'm saying all 20 like I know how many are really out. But I received 20 of them. So I'm kind of assuming that that's all of the colors for this shade range. And they have like a minty scent to them, and it always also feels a little tingly when I put it on my lips. And usually from experience, I think that like when it tingles your lips is more of like a lip plumping type of product. I don't necessarily need any lip plumping products, but it's nice to know that my lips are gonna be nice and luscious at all times while wearing these glosses. So I got this box today and I was super excited about it. There's some really beautiful shades in here. There's some holographic ones, more nudes, and some that are a little bit more vibrant. So what I want to do, I want to put them on so that you can see what these shades look like on a black girl. So let's get to it. And this one is called Gold Mine. Ooh. This color is gorgeous. I just want to stop and talk about this lip gloss for just a second. The camera is not really picking it up because it's too light in here and I don't want to turn off the other lighting, but oh my god. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like out of this world gorgeous. Feels super comfortable on the lips. Tastes delicious and minty. So it's really gold, and the gold that I see on here, it's exactly what I'm getting on my lips. Absolutely gorgeous. And now we're doing Dirty Talk. I feel like I want them to be a little bit more opaque, so I'm putting kind of a lot of coats on, but that's because they feel amazing. But this color is super pretty. The glitters are not coming through as much as the gold, but as you can see the difference here, maybe it's not as glittery to begin with. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera. Nonetheless, it's still very pretty. Now this is $19.93. I'm actually really excited to try this one because if you've watched my last video on swatching, it was also an Urban Decay package for their what are they called? Vice lipsticks, and they have a lipstick called 1993 and I love that one. So I wonder if this is gonna go over it well with pairing those two. Whoa. I'm definitely gonna try it, but let's see what this one looks like on its own. It's like the perfect brown girl nude. Just put it on and go. Next, it's Fireball. And this is Fuel. This one is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with these. Like, this one is my absolute favorite so far. So pretty. Midnight Cowgirl. And this is Shadow Heart. This is Candy Flip. Jawbreaker. Snapped. This is Beso. This is Rapture. Back Talk. This is Naked. SPL. Obsessed. Boy, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Savage. Big Bang. Snitch. Bang. Alright, so that's all of the 20 colors. My lips don't feel as bad as I thought that they were going to, which is awesome, but that was a lot. Right now on my lips I have the color called Crowd Pleaser from Loving Good Lips, and I went over it with Back Talk, which is so pretty on its own, but I'm gonna go somewhere in a second and I want it to last a little longer, so that's why I did the liquid lipstick underneath it. I love these glosses. I love the doe foot wand. I love the consistency. I love how it feels on the lips, how it tastes, how it smells, and how smooth it goes on. It does have a good color payoff. You might have to do a couple of coats with some of these colors, but then again, some of them are not really meant to be super pigmented. You know what I mean? They're meant to be nude, so that's totally okay. But I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to pair them with other lipsticks because they go really well over liquid lipsticks. At least I use the same brand in the beginning of the video and at the end now, so I mean at least it works really well with this formula right here, and I can't wait to try it with other ones. So do you think you're gonna try any of these? At least go to the store and put any on? If you are, then let me know in the comment section below. And as usual, you already know, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video so that I know that you are enjoying my content. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!